No fire, no claws, no venom, just a reaction. Hidden in plain sight, the Bombardier beetle carries something most creatures never could: controlled explosions. Inside its body, it stores two separate chemicals, harmless on their own, but the moment they meet, everything changes. They combine in a specialized chamber. Heat rises fast, near boiling temperatures. Pressure builds, not by accident, but by design. And then it fires. A rapid burst of scalding chemicals released in pulses, like a biological machine gun. Human engineering struggles with heat, pressure, control. Engines fail. Systems break. But this tiny insect, it does it over and over and over again without destroying itself. This isn't just defense. It's precision, timing, containment. It's chemistry, under control. Now imagine if it wasn't small. If something like this existed at our scale, streets wouldn't hold it. Nothing would. We don't fear it, not because it's harmless, but because it's small. And if something this advanced exists at this size, what else have we been overlooking?